Oh my god!
Various kind of construction heavy equipment. Truck crane. A truck crane is a heavy construction machine that combines a truck chassis with a crane to lift, lower, and transport heavy materials. A crane truck, also called a boom truck, is a transport vehicle that has a crane built into its structure that helps load and unload large goods. This means no complementary machinery is needed to fulfill these functions. This type of vehicle not only transports items, it can also lift them to significant heights. Mixer truck. A mixer truck is a special means of transportation to transport ready-mix concrete from the batching plant to the project site. Also known as Molen trucks, this special means of transportation has various types with the same function, namely transporting concrete from one location to another by maintaining the consistency of the concrete so that it remains workable and liquid and does not harden during transit. Concrete pump. A concrete pump is a construction tool that moves freshly mixed concrete from a truck to a desired location. How it works: a concrete pump uses hydraulics and a valve system to suck concrete from a hopper and force it through a hose. The hose can be extended to reach hard-to-access areas, and the pump can be controlled remotely. What it's used for: concrete pumps are used for casting concrete slabs, basement floors, and swimming pool foundations. They can also be used in infrastructure projects like building roads, tunnels, and dams. Benefits: concrete pumps can make construction safer, more efficient, and more productive. They can also help workers reach areas that are hard to access. Dump truck. Dump trucks are heavy vehicles used to transport and dispose of heavy materials, such as sand, gravel, soil, rocks, and mining products. Dump trucks have a rear bed that can be lifted and the contents dumped at the destination. The rear bed of the dump truck can be tilted to make it easier to dump material. Articulated dump truck. An articulated hauler, articulated dump truck, ADT, or sometimes a dump hauler, is a very large heavy-duty type of dump truck used to transport loads over rough terrain, and occasionally on public roads. The vehicle usually has all-wheel drive and consists of two basic units: the front section, generally called the tractor, and the rear section that contains the dump body, called the hauler or trailer section. Steering is made by pivoting the front in relation to the back by hydraulic rams. This way, all wheels follow the same path, making it an excellent off-road vehicle. Wheel loader. A wheel loader is a heavy equipment vehicle that's used to load and transport materials, and perform other tasks. Wheel loaders are often used in construction projects to move heavy materials like sand, gravel, soil, and rocks into trucks. They can also be used to clear land, dig holes, and smooth out ground. Wheel loaders have an arm that lifts and lowers a bucket, which is used to scoop up and move materials. The bucket is opened and closed with a bell crank. Motor grader. A motor grader is a heavy equipment used to level and shape the ground surface. Motor graders have several functions, including leveling the ground surface, compacting the soil, cleaning and cutting material, forming drainage, making water channels and ditches. A motor grader is heavy equipment that works by moving forward and backward repeatedly until the ground surface is completely level. Motor graders work by pushing an uneven surface using a sharp, large blade. Vibratory roller. A vibratory roller, also known as a vibro-roller or a compactor, is a heavy-duty construction machine designed for soil compaction and asphalt paving. It is commonly used in road construction, building foundations, and various infrastructure projects to ensure the structural integrity of the surface. Vibratory rollers are called so because they use vibrations to compact materials efficiently. Spider excavator. A spider excavator, also known as a walking excavator, is a versatile piece of all-terrain equipment that can navigate difficult terrain with minimal environmental impact. Spider excavators can handle slopes of up to 60 degrees, mud, snow, rocks, and water up to 5 feet deep. Spider excavators can be used for a variety of tasks, including power pole installation, right-of-way clearing, steep slope excavation, and rockfall protection. Demolition excavator. A demolition excavator is a type of excavator that is used to carry out work involving the dismantling and destruction of a building or construction. Demolition excavators are built for demolition and have reinforced upper structures and hinged cab guards. They can have specialized cabs, straight booms, and ultra-high reach configurations. Excavator standard bucket. The standard bucket for an excavator is also known as a digging bucket and is the most common type of bucket used. It's used for standard operations and digging, and is often used on construction sites to move and dig up dirt. On demolition sites, it can be used to dig through debris and lift material into dump trucks. Backhoe. A backhoe is a heavy equipment consisting of a hoe, scraper, at the back as a loader and a bucket at the front as a shovel. Backhoes are used for digging, using hoes and buckets on the back of the machine to carry out tasks such as dismantling and lifting material.